civil emergency message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Clatsop County Office of Emergency Management. There is a tsunami threat inbound for the coast of Oregon. Clatsop County Emergency Management is requesting that mariners on the Columbia River are to seek safe harbor now. Residents down the Columbia River should evacuate immediately. Prepare now. Action should be taken to protect life and property. Evacuation centers have been set up at Olney Community Church. Civil authorities will guide you to safety.